My name is Sean Cleland, and I founded the camp. I am the director, artistic director, executive director of the Irish Music School of Chicago.
Niall Leary, originally from Dublin, Ireland, now living in New York City, and I'm here specifically to teach dancing. We do some step dancing, some shandas dancing. We're doing some body percussion.
And 1, 2, bounce, and 1, 2, bounce, and 1, 2, bounce.
And then I'm also looking to inspire the children by performing, playing a little accordion, playing a little spools, and doing some hard shoe percussive dance as well.
My name is Jasmine Stamping, and I teach the fiddle at Shadow Stamping. I'd like them to see a pure joy that when they play Irish music and do like with the sessions and do Irish dancing and stuff, that they feel the joy that we do.
You're gonna actually like skip as kind of as fast as you can.
My name is Erin.
Oh no, I do.
I teach fiddle for the littlest ones and singing. They can really match pitch and pick up on these musical concepts.
My name is James Riley, and I teach the advanced whistle, and I also play for the dance center.
1, 2, ready, pass.
What I enjoy most is an opportunity to share a tradition that was passed down to me from my father and from his father to him, way back as far as we know. There's a sense of self-worth and accomplishment that they walk away with skills and abilities that they didn't have when they showed up.
What are some of your favorite parts of the camp?
I'm me first.
I probably like the tin whistle and like dancing.
I agree.
I think Irish dancing like crazy. Okay. Tin whistle and dancing, same. Yeah, I like those two things. And maybe singing. My favorite part, I think, has been learning the tin whistle.
So, try that. Yeah. That was good. Do that a few more times. Ready again. Ready again.
That sort of fulfills part of my mission, which is to teach, to explore, and to teach Irish music to as many people as possible, basically.
Now, whisper to me, what is rule number 2? The holes go in the next it with her. The holes go in front.
My name is Carrie Collins, and I teach whistle class. Teaching little kids to play the whistle is challenging in its own right, but I love teaching kids how to maneuver through learning a new instrument and the excitement that I see in their eyes when they actually start to make pretty sounds.
Coming here this summer and seeing the American kids all really enjoying our Irish culture and enjoying the same instruments and activities and dancing that we are heavily influenced in our country and are taught in school. It's really nice to see that they're trying to learn about our culture and dive back into like their ancestors' interests, which is really nice.
From generation to generation. So to see the little kids come in on Monday and not have any idea what was about to happen to them. And I speak for my grandsons. They get more excited every day and more included in the culture. And it's just amazing to watch.
I went to this camp when I was a little kid, actually. So I think it's kind of interesting to have the perspective and kind of know what it is to be in their shoes. And people that are first generation, I mean, I'm a first generation, and I think it has always meant a lot for my parents and people in the diaspora in general that their kids are still involved.